address you as Deepika Padukone, Bhavnani Singh, or
What did I teach you yesterday?
you say it.
Deepika Padukone,
Yes.
wife of
Yes.
Ranveer Singh Padukone.
Deepika has asked me to call you Ranveer Singh Padukone.
क्या बात है? What a name! It's got a ring to it, huh?
Yeah.
This name. Anyway, I dropped my surname, so I needed a new one anyway.
Yeah.
It's a legendary surname. Why not? I say.
So, Mrs. Ranveer Singh or Mr. Deepika Padukone? Both. Good. Ranveer Singh Padukone and Deepika Padukone Singh. Whatever you want it to be.
Marriage is like the best thing that's ever happened to me. I'm really loving it. It's only been about 10 or 15 days, but it's so nice. It's so lovely. I would highly recommend it to all, to the entire young population of the country. If you're thinking about it, take it from me. It's great.
Being married, it's beautiful. And like Ranveer said, I think we'd recommend it to every young person who's in love.
Things have gotten much better. Now I reach places on time. My first appointment of the day is more or less on time.
It's not an early riser.
Yeah, it's not bad as it used to be. Now she has this background of being a sports person, and the core of values are attached with things like discipline and stuff like that. So she's very proper about her eating habits, about her sleeping habits. She makes sure she's calling me, telling me, "Chalo, ho gaya time now, come home, go to sleep." She puts me to bed on time. I wake up on time. So I'm getting into that very healthy routine thanks to her. All her positive influences are really doing me well.
Today, for example, if Ranveer says, my wife expects me to be home at a certain time or go to bed by a certain time, be on time, all of those things, that's not me, it's come from her. You know, so in some way, I've learned a lot from her, especially when it comes to family, upbringing, all of that, the disciplining, all of that has come from her.
Is it also like a strange experience for you to actually wake up to someone else and then you have to send them off to work?
The fact that for so many years I lived alone, that I finally get to share a space with someone, I'm not alone anymore. You know, we're together. Of course, he's working, I'm working. But the fact that we just wake up to each other, I think that's the most beautiful thing.
Do you wake up next to this most beautiful woman and feel overwhelmed? Wow, this actually 6 years of courtship has resulted in this.
Yeah, it is. It's pretty surreal. The thing is touch wood, yaar. Hai nazar na lage meri baby ko. She's just so gorgeous, man. She's going to sleep, she's gorgeous. She wakes up, she's gorgeous. Middle of the day, she's gorgeous. She's just gorgeous every way. My God, I wake up next to her. I can't believe it. I can't believe it. Every day. It's been 6 years. I still can't believe it. So yeah, it is. It feels amazing.
I've learned very early on that the key to success is just to say yes to everything. Allow her to decide, and she will be happy. And your happiness should come from her happiness. So yeah, just say yes to everything, and you'll just sail through.
Just say yes. Mantra that all you men think like works. Not a secret anymore.
मैं बंद गया हूँ गृहस्थी में. मैं तो मतलब टाइम से उठना, टाइम पे खाना खाना, टाइम पे काम पे पहुँचना, टाइम पे घर जाना, टाइम पे सोना. क्या सुधर गया हूँ लड़का.
You know, I think it's the way I've been brought up. I don't know any other way of being. And as a child myself, I've been, extremely disciplined and focused and, all of those things. And I'm just trying to get him to bring some discipline into his own life.